This is the Telegraph from about 100 years ago. Without designers, all the text used to be just laid out by the printers.
We sort of live in a 24-hour news society now. You can get news on Twitter, you can get it on Instagram, you can. There's rolling news channels all the time.
The Telegraph job was advertised, and it was the first time that any newspaper had launched a women's sports department.
Suddenly I was in this position where I kind of thought I wanted to be a news or features reporter, and then it's like, gosh, of course there's beauty content in a magazine. That's amazing.
The thing we're always trying to ask ourselves when it comes to something as massive as this is how can we make it concise and also visually appealing?
I've learned almost as much in the last 3 years as I have in the last 10.
In text you have to describe something. Video I can just show you straight away. There are some things that unless you see it with your own eyes you won't understand how big that explosion was.
I mean, it's impossible to cover a story that's that dangerous that you're not emotionally invested in. Otherwise, go and do something else.
Make every moment, worthwhile.
With journalism, it's all about work experience.
If there aren't the standard internships advertised on publications' websites, just email to see what happens.
Very good inside information.